Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this bike light that has Apple Find My capability. So you can put this on your bike and you can use it to find your bike if it ever gets lost or stolen. And it also functions as a bike light, which is very important for riding at night. Looking at the box here, you can see all the different features of this thing. Long lifespan, large capacity battery, that's very important, waterproof, and even a 1-year warranty. Let's take a look inside. Here is the light itself. As you can see, it's got this nice branding on the side there. It looks very sleek. And I currently have the flashlight on. It's very powerful, so don't shine it in your eye. You can change the mode by pressing on the power button. So that's the lower mode, and then it's also got this nice strobe mode. Hold it down again to turn off. At the back of the light, you got the charging port. There's the USB-C slot, and then you also got a USB slot for charging up your phone, so you can use this as a power bank. It's 4,500 milliamp hours, and it's nice and waterproof. The cover goes in nice and snug. So the nice thing is you can pop this on and off your bike very easily to charge it. You just have this tab down here. You want to push that in and then slide forward and it comes off. And there is the Find My button. You'll push that once and you'll hear that little sound. It means that Find My is now on and it's ready to connect with your phone. So that's pretty much the gist of it. Overall, this thing works very well, and the Find My functionality has been working great. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what this looks like on the bike. To tighten the strap on your handlebar, you simply just rotate this knob. Here's a look at the light on the bike. Very, very sleek, and you can easily tilt it whatever direction you like. I am very confident that this will light up the road nicely at night since it was so bright. It's great that it also functions as a power bank, so you can just go ahead and easily plug in, nice and accessible port right there. Your phone, you can put a phone mount right here, just charge it while you're also using the light at night and keeping yourself safe. This thing is great overall, highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.